Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility with your employer and gathering required proof like pay stubs or a corporate email. This matters because Apple verifies affiliation. Once you have documentation, sign into your Apple ID or create one and enable two-factor authentication for secure access. Then navigate to the Employee Purchase Program through your company portal or the Apple Business/Apple Education link. This first step gets your account ready so you can request verification and view discounted options. Do this now to avoid delays later. Once done with account setup, submit verification by uploading your documents or confirming your corporate email. Processing typically takes a few days. After verification, browse the eligible product list. Pay attention to model restrictions, quantity limits, and any bundle savings because those determine your final price. Add selected items to the cart. The discount usually applies automatically, but make sure to enter any promo code your employer provided. If you plan purchases across departments or cameras versus laptops, check limits before checkout to avoid rejections. You finish by completing checkout with an approved payment method and reviewing tax, shipping, and return policies. Some discounts exclude certain accessories. Once ordered, track delivery and save order confirmations and receipts for reimbursements or company documentation. If something goes wrong, verification denied, discount not applied, or order flagged, first contact your HR or benefits coordinator with screenshots of your documents, then escalate to Apple support if needed. Keep copies of communication and order ID to speed resolution so you can get the discounted device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.